Okay, so, ang sing ko, again ko lang Max, kasi gusto ko yung Max, pero gusto ko lang sa makeup tutorial. Ito, hindi na po ito makeup tutorial, singing na po ito. So, yun natin yung shades natin, kasi gusto tayo ng makeup tutorial. So, meron akong kantahin. Ang kantahin ko ay, hindi ang magkanta. Akin ay rap. As in, flip top. Okay. Flip top. Wala ka namang laptop. Itong piso, pabili ng lollipop. Isip na isip. Wala ka namang inisip. Itong dos, pamili ng isip-isip. We will rock you. Fire in the sun, gilabag, tansan, liburot tiyan, ngurag, vulkan. So, Bisaya po yun. Alam ko na hindi kayo alam yung ganyan yung Bisaya. So, we will rock you. Fire in the book, kilabayag, bakos, iburot ang tiyan, yung murag, nukos. Ang bakos, so, ngayon naman kantahan na talaga. Okay, so, hindi lang ako na-memorize. Sorry na lang ito. Kanta ko ay especially for you. Okay. Especially for you, I'm gonna let you know that I was going through all the times I've gone before I fall of you. You've been in my life. You show me the way. And now that I'm next to you, I know giving about tomorrow, getting alone, that's in a sorrow. I could say it's all because of you, and now we're back together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I had is naturally for together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I had is naturally for you. So,